Hi,
Hi. Hi,
how
Aradhna.
are
How are
you?
you? I'm
I'm
fine.
good. What about you?
I'm
Nice
also
to
good.
see you.
Me too. Me too. Nice to see you again. So, how was your day?
It was awesome and going on very good till now. And what about
Okay.
you? How was your day?
My day is going good. Like I just conversation with two or three people, like a practice in English. And now I connected with you for like our English practice.
Yeah.
And everything is going like as usual. You know, the pandemic is going on. We are not going outside. So yeah,
Yeah.
this is going on. Not any happy thing is
Tell me
going.
about your hobbies.
Okay. Okay. So actually nowadays I'm doing my practice in English, and now nothing special. Now I'm like doing a job, as you know, as I'm account assistant. So I'm doing a job, and right now I'm practicing in English like with a different country people, and like my subscriber also. So this thing I'm doing like you can say my hobbies also. Yes.
So if I'm talking about my hobbies, so I like to gardening. I like to read spiritual books, and I like to talk others, and I like to watch TV. I love watch TV. Nowadays, I'm watching English cartoon, English movies, especially English cartoon. I watch every day.
Oh, good. Did you like watch any English like story like story video in YouTube? There is also you can
Yeah,
learn a lot of things.
yeah. Sometime I watch little
Okay,
story.
okay. So you are not introducing yourself. Just introduce yourself also.
Okay, my name is Aradhna. I am a student. I am an English learner. So for my fluency, I am here connected with you for my English practice.
Okay. So and you are doing like a study also. You're medical
Yeah,
student.
yeah.
Okay.
So tell me you something about yourself.
Okay, my name is Sonam. I live in Mumbai, and presently I am doing study also. In my final year of MBA, and along with my study, I'm doing a job in pharmaceutical company, and nowadays I just improving my English, so I just learn English more and practice with English with the different people. That's is going on in my side.
Great. Same here. Online classes going on. Every day I watch some little story on YouTube.
Okay. So tell me
Yeah.
something more like what you like your uh, any topic for like you're saying
Yeah.
about the
Can we
traveling.
Yeah. Can we take this topic traveling? Can we talk about traveling? Because I love traveling.
Yeah, sure. Actually, I also love to travel. So yeah, where you want to go for like a travel and visit, explore the
Eh,
place.
yeah. I want to explore the world.
Oh
So
wow.
yeah. First, I want to explore in my India because I didn't go all over the place in India, but I visited Banaras. I'm from Banaras.
Oh
Yeah, but I live in Mumbai. So I visited Ganga Ghat. Do you know about Ganga Ghat?
yes, yes. I'm
Yeah,
from also
I
Banaras.
love. Yeah, great.
Yes, yes. But I
Yeah.
never visit
So
Ganga Ghat, but I heard the Ganga Ghat.
yeah, last year I visited Ganga Ghat, and I love after seeing Ganga Ghat and Ganga Aarti. I was like was missing such a beautiful place because I born there and I.
Yes, yes, yes. Hello, hello.
Didn't see. As I told you that so many there is lots of place where I didn't visit yet, but I will go definitely when I will get time. And I visited Vishwanath Mandir. Do you know?
Yeah, Vishwanath Mandir is in Odisha.
No, no, in Banaras.
Okay, actually, some temple is the Odisha, na? That's why I just recall the
Yeah,
you are talking
yeah,
about
yeah,
the
yeah,
Odisha also. Okay. Actually, I
yeah.
never thought you are talking about the Banaras.
Banaras is famous for Kasi Ghat, Ganga Ghat, and
Yes,
Banarsi sari. Do you like Banarsi sari?
yes, yes. I am more like a Banarsi sari because the like a
Yeah,
quality of the Banarsi sari is very good. It's like if you wear the
yes,
sari, it's like a royal feeling when you like wear
yeah,
this sari. That's why I
yeah.
like this.
Banarsi, yeah, Banarsi pan is there. Bati chokha is there.
Yes, yes, yes. In
Yeah.
our UP, you can
You,
say a lot of things. Very good thing is
yeah,
available, and we are staying in Mumbai, and we all are miss this thing. Like,
yeah,
say, like yes. So, apart
yeah.
from like the UP, where you want to go, like in uh
I
uh
want to
in
go Goa, Goa, Goa.
why you want to go Goa? Like any
Because
special?
yeah, yeah, because there is beautiful beaches. I want to visit there.
Okay, you want to visit Goa because of the beaches you like. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
and
also
also
like Goa
Kerala.
because the Goa is famous for the beaches also, and I want to see the
Yeah,
Goa because I never
yeah.
ever go in like a Goa, and I heard a lot of time for my friends. It's a very beautiful place you have to visit.
Okay. In Mumbai, did you visit Juhu Chapati and Marine?
Yes, it's if we are not visit that place, it's not like we are
Yeah.
staying in Mumbai and we are not visited. It's very horrible
Yeah,
thing
in
I can say.
college time, yeah. Actually, college student every month you can say when we are in college, every month we used to go there.
Yes, yes, yes.
Where do you like to visit?
I like to visit Kashmir, Jammu Kashmir.
Wow,
Yes,
that's
because
a
it's a
beautiful
very
place.
beautiful place. Yes, and apart from like Jammu Kashmir, and I would love to see Simla, Manali, all that place I have to like visit, and the Kerala. Kerala is the most beautiful place I have never
Yeah,
seen. It is naturally very good. That's why I just want to go there and watch all the
Ker-
things.
yeah. Kerala is full of nature, lots
Yes,
of
yes,
trees.
yes.
I also like that place. I love that place where is lots of trees, mountains.
Oh, wow.
I am a nature lover.
Wow. I
Whenever
also
I
nature
feel,
lover, you can
yeah,
say, because I also like that kind of place, like uh, if the waterfall is like a
yeah,
mountain place, and a very good, like a surrounding area is like trees and all that thing is natural things. So I like that place. Like you feel very calm when you
yes,
visit that place. You feel very calm and like so relaxed in your mind.
yeah,
That's why you feel like
yeah,
you enjoy that place more.
yeah,
I don't like a sound kind of place. There is so much of noise. I don't like that kind of place.
yeah.
So yes.
At some time, yeah, I feel that plant is talking to me, and I like to talk plants. I have planted so many plants in my
Yes.
what I can say gallery. So every day in morning I talk to my plants. I water the plant and then I talk to my plant.
Oh wow, that's a very
In
good
English,
thing.
in English,
Oh,
in English, and it is, yeah, it is very good for practicing. I talk to my plants,
oh
and
my
I
God.
named my plants. I named my plants
Oh wow, what's the name of your plant? I want to know.
like Hibis, Bella, and Sophie. So many names I gave them.
Okay, like what kind of plant you like in your
There
garden?
are hibiscus and so plants are there. Two, three
Okay.
plants are there, and aloe vera is there.
Oh, aloe vera is
Yeah,
a very
and
good. You can use for your skin,
yeah,
all that. Like,
yeah.
not any flower. Any flower plant you not like?
Yeah, there is a hibiscus, gudal flower.
Okay, not rose.
Do you know gudal? Yeah.
You don't.
No,
Yeah, yeah.
no, there is no rose.
You have to like plant a rose because the rose is very good. And why
Yeah.
you're not?
Definitely. Yeah, I will plant it.
Okay. So other
Nice
like
to talk
what?
to you.
Yeah, me too. Me too. Anything
So
else
do
you want
you,
to like? Yes, yes. Tell me.
yeah, do you planted any plant in your home?
No, 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 no. I'm not like I'm not this kind of thing doing. I don't like you can say. We just only the tulsi plant in my home. Tulsi plant we gave the water now. That's why the only the
Yes,
one
yes,
plant we have. And this plant is take care of my mom only. They always giving the water and all that. I'm not like you can say the gardening lover. You can say that.
okay.
But
I'm a
when
gardener.
I go my village now, that time
Yes,
I'm go like work in a farm area. I like to like all these things to do in a farm area. That
yes,
only that thing I like. Otherwise, I don't like. But you know that in Mumbai, there that kind of thing is not so. We can't do all that thing.
yes. Shortage of time.
Yes, yes, yes.
So I'm very grateful to you that you have give your valuable time to me. Thank you so much.
It's my pleasure, dear. You're giving me time for a conversation to me. What I I was saying. It's my pleasure to
Yeah,
talking with you and I interacting with you. Always
same
welcome
here.
the
We
people
are
who is
same.
coming.
Yeah. You also
Yes,
from Banaras and I am from Banaras. We both are from Banaras.
yes. We are more connected, you can say,
Yeah,
with each other.
yeah,
So okay,
yeah.
so thank you so much for connecting with me. I like you like the way because you are very young age to me. I can say I am not like interacting with this kind of age people. It's my first time for interacting, and I also like to conversation with you. Thank you so much for
Thank you. Same here.
yes,
Okay, thank you. We will have another conversation on another day. Okay. Would you like to?
definitely. Yes, 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 definitely. I will connect with you, but in Sunday, dear, only. If you like
Yeah.
me, you can
Okay.
Sunday.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll be there. At what time you will say I'll be there?
Okay, no problem. So I will
Oh,
connect in like a next Sunday. So we have like a
okay,
one
okay,
any topic and we discuss it. Okay?
okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you once again. Bye.
Thank